discrimination, untouchability, and there are many kinds of discrimination on the basis of the caste, creed, color, gender, languages. So our forefathers faced lots of problems in our country and they sacrificed their life for the entire nation. And ultimately on 15th of August we got the freedom. And this freedom was given by the after tyranny and there were so many martyrs. They sacrificed their life in the service of our nation. After all, the British rule came to end on 15th of August 1947. But unfortunately, our country faced one more problem. That was the partition of our country. India divided into two parts as Pakistan came into existence. That was the sad moment of our country. Then our country became the republic on 26th of January 1950. On this day, our constitution was implemented and became as the full republic and the sovereign country. As we know that it was not very easy for us to gain the freedom and to do any task for the country. But ultimately our freedom fighters and our forefathers worked for the nation and we became the republic. Now we are the democratic country. India is considered to be the largest democratic country in the world, where the elections are held in every 5 years. And we have the full right to elect our own leaders. As we know that the power is in the hands of the common man. As you know, the definition of the good knowledge. Now most of the students are aspiring to get the education and sometimes they are deprived for the good education. So it is my message that they should get the proper education, they should achieve the knowledge. And education is the only weapon that can take you to the top in the life. You can use your all kinds of energy if you are fully educated. So our school, Shivhare International School, plays a very pivotal role in giving the education in this rural area. Our Honorable Director, Mr. Sudhama Shivhare, endeavored to open this school in this locality. He endeavored to do a task that was very difficult. I think nobody dared to open such a big school for this locality because nobody wants to come here as they think that earning money is the most important part. As I was discussing once with the co-director, Mr. Sitam Shavale, that he told me, sir, we don't want to earn money. I accepted this because already they have a lot of money, they don't want to need any more money. But what is the sole purpose of opening the school here? Because they want to give the good education those students who are unable to go to the cities because the expenditure of cities is higher than this area. So our director, he deserves that he should be honored here, and I think they have done a great task for this area. We should be grateful to him because his strive, his endeavor is on the top. So once again, I thank everybody and especially our director, sir, Mr. Sudhama Shivhare, who endeavored to open such a big institution here. And in the end, last but not least, I would like to wish you the happy 26th of January. Do your duties, fulfill your dreams, because now you are living in the free nation. Our country is a democratic country.